How many times has your phone rung from an unknown number and interrupted your work or your peace? The surprising thing is that there's a switch on the iPhone. Once you turn it on, any unknown number disappears completely. No ringing, no notification, and no disturbance at all. Simply put, the iPhone has a feature that filters unknown calls as if they never happened. To enable it, go to Settings. Apps. Scroll down to Phone. You'll find an option called Silence Unknown Callers. Turn this option on. Once it's enabled, any number that isn't saved in your contacts or is calling you for the first time, the phone won't ring. No notification will appear. The call will go directly to voicemail, and it will only appear in the recent calls list if you want to check it later. And here we need to understand the important difference. Silence means the call doesn't disturb you at all. Filtering means the call is placed in a separate place so you can review it whenever you want. This feature does not affect numbers saved in your contacts. Any number you have called before, or any number Siri detects that you have interacted with before. But be careful about one important point. If you are expecting a work call, delivery, or an important new number, save the number temporarily so the call can come through normally. This feature works on all iPhones starting from iPhone 8 and above, as long as the system is iOS 14 or later. In the end, try this setting for just 2 days, and you'll most likely notice that most of the annoyance disappears on its own. Write in the comments, did it actually make a difference for you, or are you still receiving annoying calls? And if you want me to explain other iPhone settings that make your phone quieter and safer without you noticing, like the video and subscribe, because the next video will be about a setting very few people know about.